Don't know if the 100 is going to go off, guys.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio alarm. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by these tones to warn you of the impending hazards. Tests are normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. On days with severe weather in the area, the test may be cancelled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and watches affecting the following counties. In the KDO 89 listening area, Madison, Illinois, Monroe, Illinois, St. Clair, Illinois, Franklin, Missouri, Jefferson, Missouri, Lincoln, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, Warren, Missouri, and St. Louis City. If your receiver is tone activated, it should be reset after this test. This concludes the test for this week. Thank you.
So my stupid WR100 that I supposedly love and it works so much did not want to activate today. So I gotta figure out what's wrong with it. Well, that's all for today. See you guys later.